Johnson, and I'd like to help you learn how to poach an egg. So first of all, I've taken a pot of water and I filled it up about halfway full. I'm going to bring it to a rolling boil, and it's important to keep the lid on when you're boiling your water because it keeps all the heat inside and it brings the water to a rolling boil much faster. Terrific, our water's at a rolling boil. So I'm going to remove the lid, and I'm going to take this big chef spoon and I'm going to start swirling around the water in a very rapid motion. And I'm going to crack the egg. When I crack the egg, I want to make sure that I can get it right in the middle of the swirl of the water in order to properly poach it. So this egg is still swirling about in the water, and it only takes about 3 minutes and you're going to have a perfectly poached egg. I realize there's a lot of other ways to poach an egg. A lot of people use ramekins and use vinegar and a lot more complex methods. To me, this is the fastest, easiest way, and it tastes just as delicious, especially if you're going to put it on an English muffin with some cream cheese and some salmon. Oh, wonderful. Couldn't ask for much more. And they're perfect to make some eggs Benedict. So now that you know how to poach the perfect egg, go ahead and enjoy some other recipes as well at danasfamilykitchen.com.